Do you know that there is an AI platform that has a lot of AI modules integrated inside it? You don't need to start jumping from one AI module to another. This has all in it. Higgsfield AI makes this possible. And in this video, we are going to learn how to use different AI tools in one, which includes Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 audio, one 2.5, as well as Cinema Studio. Let's just get right into it. So the first step you need to take is to open your web browser, okay? And in this case, I'll be working with Google Chrome. As your browser opens, visit this website, higgsfield.ai. So once you're landed on this website, you'll find yourself on an interface that looks like this. The first thing we are going to do here is to work with Nano Banana Pro. So take your cursor to the image and you will see some options. Under models, you will see Nano Banana Pro. So click on that. Okay, in this section, describe the scene you imagine or something you want to create. So here I have a simple prompt. I said image of a book cover titled Learning AI in 2026. And author as Godwin Tech. This captures text very well. That's the feature, one of the features of this AI tool. It's not the one that you give a text to create something, at the end it messes up with the text and bring in some characters of its choice. Okay, but here it follows that. So 16:9 aspect ratio, then 1K is choosing here, but I will click on here and select a different quality. Let me go with 2K, but you can still work on for 4K. Are you getting that? So we go with this. And unlimited is choosing for here. You can click here to draw, but I don't have time for that. So let's focus on this thing I have here. So I'll click on generate. And here we are. This AI tool has come up with something nice. All right. We can go ahead and download this, or you can click on it to see it in a larger scale. It's a beautiful result. All right. For you to download it, what you need to do is to click on this download button, and it has downloaded into my PC. You can still take further step and animate it. Okay, if there is need for that. For you to do that, you have to click on Animate. You are taken to this place, so prompt is just tell it what you want it to do. So look at what I have here. I say set the image in motion with sound that portrays the book title. All right, the audio is turned on, and the model this is using is Kling 2.6, though we are coming to that. Okay, and the aspect ratio is 10 seconds. And the duration is 10 seconds. So if you want to change this, click here and choose a different timing. Okay, then the aspect ratio is automatic based on this. The next step is to click on generate. So look at the result of the animation. All right, so for you to play, just click on the play button.
Embark on the future of intelligence and technology. Learn AI in 2026, where tomorrow's knowledge begins today.
You see, this is great piece. All right, it is excellent, and the audio portrays what the design is all about. If you're a filmmaker, you can give it an idea based on film. All right, it can create something so nice that you may not even imagine that it could do. So that's that, by the way. And for you to download this, click on the download button. The next model we are going to work with right now is Kling 2.6 audio. So take your cursor to the video section and go to the model section. You will see Kling 2.6. So click on it. So here it says upload image or generate it. Okay, the format PNG, JPEG, and paste from clipboard of your PC. And what this does is that it comes with audio. We saw it in the previous one we did, okay, which is Nano Banana Pro. And not only that, it portrays good emotions, and it can give you audio based on what you want to create. In addition, it has higher prompt precision. So let's describe what we want to have here, and let this help us after we generated an image. In this place, type what image you want it to generate. So here I have my prompt. I say a forest at dusk where the trees seem to bend inward, forming the shape of a face. So I will go further and say create this as horror movie scene. All right. Once you're done typing what you want it to create, click on generate. Okay, this has come up with a lot of images that portray what I described. All right, so it's now left for you to choose the one you want to animate or turn into action. So let's click on this one. Let's go with this. Okay, so once you're here, click on animate. So it has been placed here in our Kling 2.6. Okay, because we moved from here to the image generating platform. And now what we need to do is to give it a simple prompt by saying turn this into a horror movie scene. Okay, I say turn this into a horror movie scene. Add a song that fits into the scene perfectly. All right, and ensure that this audio is turned on, unless if you don't want audio. So you can see duration is 10 seconds. If you want something shorter, click here and select 5 seconds, but I'm okay with this. Then the aspect ratio is automatically dictated. Okay, we use 16:9 if I'm not mistaken, so it's going to generate that video in that 16:9, which is stable for YouTube video. And the last step is to click on generate. So this has come up with the video, so let's play it to see how it sounds.
Who are you?
I am the whisper in the roots, the shadow beneath your soul.
Please, let me go. Who are you?
I am the whisper in the roots, the shadow beneath your soul.
This is excellent. This is excellent. You can see this portrays a horror movie, all right? A horror movie scene. If you don't like what is being spoken by this head, or let's say human head, or or which head, or wizard head, so just reprompt this, okay? And structure it the way you want it to be. And lastly, if you want to download this, you can click on this for it to be downloaded into your PC. Let's proceed to the next AI model. All right. The next AI model we are going to be discussing here is 2.5. Okay. To access the platform to use this on this Higgsfield AI, go to this link here. I will have it in the description, okay, so that you can go there and start creating. So once you're here, click on try 2.5. You'll be taken to an interface that looks like this, okay, showing you some samples, okay, but your focus should be by this side. If you have an image that is existing in your PC that you want to use to create maybe something you want to create, you click here to upload it. Okay, click on this image icon, and let me tell you some beautiful things about this AI model. Number one, you can use it to create uncensored movie scenes, okay, video scenes. All right, and another thing that is remarkable about it is that it can generate image that is longer in length. The number three is that you can export the video in 1080p. All right, so these are the major features, even if you want to create celebrity videos and the rest. But let's get into it practically. First, I don't have an image I want to use for this, so I'll click on generate it. Okay, here just describe what you want to create, the prompt, okay, so that we can generate the image that we turn into video. And look at this here, prompt enhance is on, and this one batch is 4/4. I don't want it to be up to 4 images generated. I just want to have 2, okay, so that I'll pick from the 2. Okay, so let me click here and then type what I want. So once you finish typing your prompt, click on generate. This has come up with a picture, all right, based on the prompt. And look at the prompt. I don't think I read it before. I say a white huge dog hot on the back. I'm being treated by the owner. The owner wears white clothes and feels sorry for the pet. Okay, so this is kind of captures that to some extent. Yeah, that's cool. So you can go ahead and download it, all right, by clicking on download button. Let me still minimize it here. Okay, now I'm back here. So let's use the AI model to create the video. And for you to do that, you can click on Animate. When we clicked on Animate, that took the picture into this place. Okay, and now look at what you're going to do. It says prompt, describe the scene you imagine with detail. So I will describe that here. So I'll add my prompts, and it says make the owner of the dog treat the injury at the back of her white dog. Add a sober song as she does that, or any audio that portrays the situation. All right, so here you can see this audio is turned on, but let's focus on here. This selects model as Kling 2.6. That's not what we need here. So I will click here and select the model we want. So I clicked here, I look at one, I'll click on one, okay? Then this is what we need, 2.5. So I'll click on that. Then resolution here is 480p. So, and I told you this can do up to 1080p. I'll click here and select 1080p. All right, that's beautiful. Then the duration is 5 seconds selected here, but let's go with 10. Then click on generate. All right, and here we are. This has come up with something great. So let's play it. And this is so excellent. The last type of AI tool we are going to use on Higgsfield today is the one called Cinema Studio Video. Okay, it's used to make movie kind of videos. All right, so for you to use that, take your cursor to the video tab and be shown some options. Select Cinema Studio Video. You'll be taken to this page, okay, and you are landed on the video tab. If you have a picture you want to turn into video ready, a movie kind of video, just click on start frame, pick it and place it here. And you can make some customizations. You can come here, select a movement of your choice, then the dimension, aspect ratio. This one 16:9 is chosen by default. If you want something different, pick it up. Time and slow motion here is turned on. If you don't want it to be turned on, click on it for it to be turned off. Okay, and once you have all these things in place, write your prompt on what you want it to do. Okay, and then click on generate. But here I don't have any image as well at all, so I want to generate the image, and from there I give it a prompt on what to do. Okay, so I'll click on image tab. I will type what I want to generate here. So I say make a big gold wristwatch. Try busting out from a rugged, rocky background with only the top showing, strap still under and sparking out stars with stone fragments flying outward. So it depends on the scenario you want to create. Just type it the way you want it. The photo is going to generate is going to be 1/4, and the dimension is 16:9. If you want something different, please choose something different here. Okay, then the quality resolution is 2K. If you click here, you see some other options. Maybe you want 4K, but for the purpose of time, let's go with 2K so that it will process fast. Then let's set our camera. So I'll click here and select a different camera. If you take your cursor to this place, you can start pushing up or down on the wheel of your mouse to select a camera of your choice. Let's go with Aliza 35 here. In the lens aspect, just choose the lens of your choice. I'm going with Panavision C series here, and the focal length here is 14. If you want something different, please push until you get to something different. Here, let's work with 35. Then aperture f/1.4 is chosen. If you want something different, please push until you get to that, okay? But let's leave it the way it is here. Then the next step is to click on generate. Okay, this has come up with an image, but to me, it doesn't portray what I really wanted, though it's a fine creation. So let's try out another camera and lenses. So I'll click on this. Then here, let's scroll here and select Red V Raptor. Okay, then in terms of lens, let's choose a different lens. Okay, let's go with this cookie S4 for lens. And focal length, let's bring it to 14, please. And let's leave the aperture the way it is. So the text is still the same. So the next step is to click on generate. And this has come up with something better. And I like that. So we will be working with this. So let me download it into my PC. The next step is to switch to the video tab. So I'll click on video. This has generated something. If after generation you are not happy with that, you can click on generate again with the prompts and every set is already in there. Okay, already there. It will create something different for you. So but let's play this. Wow. And this is beautiful. Very beautiful. So if you are running an ad or you want to run an ad, you can take this into a video editor, maybe add few text if there is anything you want to add extra. And after that, you are good to export and you have something great made by Higgsfield AI. I hope you enjoy everything covered in this video. Check the link in the description to get to the website to upgrade from text to video or from photo to video. Thank you and see you some other time.